So hey guys, I'm here about to find Forbes Riley. I'm at her amazing studio right now.
And oh my God, hey everybody, you know what? Turn that around. We're gonna give you a really cool tour of my studio. Would that be okay with you guys? The cool awards that I have gotten for being in infomercials. Every one of these was a very nice big speech. It's the Oscars of my industry. Awesome. And I have 9 of them. There's Bruce Jenner. Wow. There's Kim Kardashian. I gave her first start on television. Wow. There's Florence Henderson, Shark Tank, Tony Little, Shalene Johnson, Tony Horton from P90X, Jane Fonda, Betty White, Mario. That's what I did on television in all of those years. $2.5 billion. Why am I giving you this tour? Because you get to dream. I come from no money. I had nothing growing up. And this is all because I dreamed it. I didn't sleep with anybody for it. I didn't rob a bank. And I didn't hit the lottery. What I did was I dreamed really big and it came true, and I'm living it, and now I'm sharing it to inspire others and to enjoy my life. So I said, let's go big, right? I want a pink office. And so I have a pink office.
This is amazing.
Truly, yeah. And by the way, you're gonna see this everywhere. You're gonna see this crazy phrase about dream it, believe it, and achieve it. That's awesome. It's all over my studio. I'm a magician. I would like to design giant things that represent my art, which is magic. And then my desk has diamonds in it. Wow. Diamonds in the chair and diamonds in the desk part, because it should be extraordinary, right? I have magic lanterns everywhere. What? Because I really do believe that you can make magic come true. See this one? Yes. And you rub it and you make a wish, and I have a whole bunch of them everywhere because I've always believed in magic. So now, welcome to the studio.
Hey, party.
Come on, seriously? Yeah, I mean, that is... yeah. Let's go be a real girl. See, this is the TV studio, but in here...
Ooh!
I mean, seriously, come on, a special room where we do all of our makeup. But, remember I told you at the beginning of the tour, in here...
Oh, dream it, believe it,
in glitter.
Achieve it. Oh.
Okay. And we also do all kinds of TV broadcasting. Over here we have beautiful light. And so then I have a kitchen over underneath all this that works. Nice. And then you go out the backyard. So we have over here a full kitchen. I mean, seriously, we have like the real kitchen. Wow. The real cooking stove, even the ice maker, because we really do like to party.
Oh. Oh. I love it.
And that is how it happens. And then we always talk about, what did you Forbes lately? So if you're new to my world, this is my first name, but it's also my mantra. So to Forbes something means to manifest it, especially when no one else thinks it's possible. This is the biggest story that I have, and you'll hear more about this. It's how I created, I've sold 2 million of my fitness products. Wow. And the fun thing is it looks like elastic, right? It's not. It's actually a strength cord that allows you to then stretch after a long day and go over to one side and all the way around and go, oh, that's how you keep your sexy. Yes.
Look at her.
That's how you text. Oh, you know, I don't have an ounce of Latin blood in me, but you would never. Oh. Remember when I was telling the story of this little girl? Yes. This ugly little girl? Who had frizzy hair and a broken nose, and whose dad was in the hospital, and then she turned to that. Wow. There's a big difference between that little girl who doesn't like herself and that one who's beaming. Yeah. And that little girl ended up on television with, I don't know if you remember Bob Hope, but he's like the Adam Sandler of your generation. Wow. I put this on the wall because it was not easy. No one gave me anything. And if you're watching this, odds are you're wondering how you're going to be successful, right? Because nobody really ever gives you anything. And if they do, you don't appreciate it. Case in point, let's see, Justin Bieber, big success at 17. How well is he doing right now? He's having a tough time, yeah. If you get too much too soon, like you think you want, you get the Lambo and the this, that. That's not true happiness. There's it takes a little bit of work and struggle. And when you appreciate your happiness, I ended up in the National Fitness Hall of Fame. Wow. That's crazy. This is my beautiful, see the Joshua? Under his clothes, he looks like that. But he also, whoa, 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 seriously, wait, no, turn around. Now I'm never
You guys are used to this.
Excuse me, I have to go now.
It's okay. I lost her.